Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Tinder shadow ban. If your Tinder profile suddenly stopped getting matches, you might be shadow banned. This means your profile is hidden from others, even though you can still use the app. It often happens after reports of policy violations. To fix this, first confirm the issue. As a friend, if your profile appears when swiping in your area. Next, review your profile for anything that could break Tinder's rules like spammy links, offensive content, or fake photos. Then update or remove them. You can also contact Tinder support directly through the help or report a problem section to request a review of your account. If that doesn't work, you may try a full reset, delete your Tinder account completely, wait around 1 to 3 months, then create a fresh account following the guidelines. While this takes time, it's the most effective way to clear a hidden restriction and get back into swipe game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.